Hello guys, welcome to the first video of a brand new video series on Pandas package in Python. So let's begin. First of all, what is Pandas? So Pandas is a popular Python package used for data analysis. Pandas can be used to read data from different file formats such as CSV, that is comma separated values, TSV, that is tab separated values, SQL, databases, JSON, Excel. And we can write data to those different file formats as well. And also we can read the data from an URL. Pandas has a variety of functions to deal with the data frame. Now if you know what is a data frame, then that's well and good. But if you don't know what is a data frame, then don't worry. We'll discuss about it in the very next video. Now next thing to discuss is why we must use Pandas. Pandas has lots and lots of functions with which the jobs can be done real quick. And let me tell you, Pandas is built over NumPy, so the computations performed at backend are faster as well. Applications of Pandas. Some real life applications of Pandas can be given as economics, recommendation systems, stock predictions, and so on. But we see that all the above terms have one thing in common, and that is data analysis. So simply we can say that Pandas can be used to perform data analysis. And even before creating any machine learning model, we perform some basic steps such as data preparation, data cleaning, etc. There too, Pandas comes in handy. Installation of Pandas package. Now if you are using Jupyter Notebook, then you need not install Pandas as it comes inbuilt. But if you are using the old school Python IDLE and you haven't installed Pandas yet, then follow the below steps. Go to Start menu, search for Python IDLE and right click on that icon. There you will find some options. Click on Open File Location button. Now at the place where you find the file path, go there and type cmd. A command line interface pops up. Now type the command pip install pandas. Now wait for some time till the necessary files gets installed. Pandas has been installed successfully on your system. As easy as that. This is it guys. In next video we'll jump directly on coding part and start working with Pandas. Till then, goodbye and take care.